Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some amazing fruits that can help unclog your colon fast. Stay tuned to find out how delicious choices can boost your digestive health. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. First up is the humble apple. Rich in fiber, apples are fantastic for your colon. They help keep things moving smoothly, preventing constipation and promoting a clean digestive tract. Next, let's talk about pears. Just like apples, pears are fiber-packed and great at sweeping through your colon. They're not just sweet and juicy, they're also warriors against colon blockage. Moving on to berries, strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries aren't just tasty. Their high fiber content and powerful antioxidants make them perfect for cleaning out your digestive system. Ever thought about prunes? While technically dried plums, prunes are famous for their ability to alleviate constipation and help with regular bowel movements. They're a classic go-to for colon health. Don't overlook the kiwi. With its unique enzyme, actinidine, kiwi helps break down proteins and facilitates smoother bowel movements. Plus, it's deliciously tangy and sweet. Oranges are next on our list. Bursting with vitamin C and fiber, they're yet another fruit that aids digestion and keeps your colon free from unwanted blockages. Let's not forget about bananas. They might seem soft and mushy, but they're packed with fiber that helps normalize bowel functions. They're perfect for a colon-friendly diet. Then there's the tropical papaya. With a special enzyme called papain, papaya excels at breaking down food particles and cleaning the digestive path, making it easier for waste to pass through. And how about figs? Whether fresh or dried, figs are loaded with fiber and are an excellent aid in promoting healthy, regular bowel movements. But what about grapes? Small but mighty, grapes have a laxative effect, which can help keep your digestive system running smoothly and your colon clear. Watermelon, with its high water content, also promotes a healthy digestive system. It hydrates while providing a good amount of fiber, helping to flush out the colon effectively. Now, for a tropical twist, we have the mighty pineapple. This fruit not only tastes like a beach vacation, but also contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and reduces inflammation in the gut. Lastly, let's talk about avocados. They're not just for guacamole. Their high levels of fiber and healthy fats help maintain a smooth and clean colon. So, there we have it. Integrating these fruits into your diet can not only enhance your digestive health, but also make your meals more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Liked the video? Give it a thumbs up. Comment below with your thoughts and subscribe for more.